In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut for a file or folder from the Shared with Me section into your My Drive in Google Drive. Let's get started by making sure you're logged in to your Google Drive. So, open up your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. After signing in, take a look at the left-hand panel, where you'll see a section labeled Shared with Me. This is the area you'll click to view all the files and folders that others have shared with you. You'll notice a list of files and folders sorted by the most recently shared. Now, it's time to browse through this list to find the specific file or folder you want to add to your My Drive. This could be any document, image, spreadsheet, or folder, really, whatever makes sense for your needs. Once you've identified the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. You'll want to focus on the one that says Organize. By clicking Organize, you'll initiate the process of adding this item to your drive. From there, select Add Shortcut to Drive. A dialog window will appear, offering you the chance to decide exactly where you want this shortcut to reside within your My Drive. You have the flexibility to nest it inside any folder within My Drive, or simply place it in the root directory of My Drive itself. Take a moment to navigate through your existing folders if needed. Once you've chosen the ideal location for your shortcut, it's time to finalize the action. Click on the button that says Add Shortcut, or simply Add, depending on your interface. And there you have it. Your shortcut is now part of your My Drive, neatly positioned in the location you selected. From now on, whenever you're navigating your My Drive, you'll find this shortcut exactly where you placed it, making access to crucial files or folders shared with you easier and faster than ever. Having these shortcuts at your fingertips can significantly enhance your workflow, keeping everything organized and accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll utilize this neat feature to keep your digital workspace tidy. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tips and tutorials on managing your Google Drive. Happy organizing!